Well-documented blockchain, an eye-opening guide. Commercio.networks to detailed documentation, workshops, and API references. We are doing daily tutorials, trying our best to simplify a complex subject like blockchain. It's not easy. If you like what we are doing, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. Blockchain technology has revolutionized various industries and is becoming an increasingly popular option for businesses looking to streamline their operations. Commercio's blockchain project enables secure and transparent communication and transactions among businesses and provides them with a range of tools and features that can help improve their operations and enhance their overall efficiency. However, to fully leverage the benefits of Commercio, it is essential to have a good understanding of its functionality and capabilities. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to access detailed Commercio's documentation and improve your blockchain projects. Commercio is a blockchain-based platform built on the Cosmos SDK, a modular framework that enables the development of custom blockchain applications. Commercio is designed to provide businesses with a secure and transparent way to communicate and transact with one another, while also allowing for the creation of custom digital assets that can be used to represent physical assets or other forms of value. Commercio provides businesses with a range of features that make it easy to use and customize, including a user-friendly interface, flexible transaction processing, and support for custom smart contracts. To fully leverage the capabilities of Commercio, it is important to have a good understanding of its functionality and features. Fortunately, Commercio provides detailed documentation that covers all aspects of the platform, including its architecture, APIs, and smart contracts. The documentation is available on the Commercio website and can be accessed by anyone who wants to learn more about the platform. The Commercio documentation is divided into several sections, each of which covers a specific aspect of the platform. The first section provides an overview of the Commercio platform and its core features, such as identity management, tokenization, and digital signatures. This section also explains the underlying architecture of Commercio and provides an introduction to the Cosmos SDK. The next section of the documentation covers the APIs that are available in Commercio. APIs are the building blocks of software applications and allow developers to interact with the platform in a programmatic way. Commercio provides a range of APIs that can be used to perform various tasks, such as creating new accounts, sending and receiving tokens, and managing smart contracts. The documentation also includes a section on smart contracts, which are self-executing programs that run on the blockchain. Smart contracts can be used to automate various business processes and can help to ensure that transactions are executed in a secure and transparent manner. Commercio supports the creation of custom smart contracts using the Solidity programming language, which is widely used in the blockchain industry. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.